Welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I will continue Let's Crack SQL interview question, which is I already started the series of the SQL interview question, which is based on the real time. So in this video, I will discuss the question based on the pet index and substring. So substring is basically used to trim the data, and pet index is basically used to find the index position of the particular character. If the character, we don't know what the character is available or not, so basically is just like the use of the like operator, means a special card character. And care index is basically used to find the number of the position of the character. So for example, suppose I have one string, that is Pandey Guruji something, some colon is there, some special character is there, and 1013 and 266502. So if you find the what is the position of this symbol, what is the position of this symbol, then we can use the care index. But we exactly don't know the symbol is available in this or not. And if you find out, if you use the like operator, like something this, then we can use the pet index. So I will discuss this question, real time question, which is the one of the company, they ask same type of the question. And if you attend any type of the interview, definitely they will ask the question based on the substring, because substring is basically used to trim the data. Like from this string, if you want to trim Pandey Guruji and something, if the between A B C D Pandey Guruji, and then how you can trim. So sometimes the developer, what we did mistake, they hard coded the value. So without hard coding, how we can retrieve the this situation. So first discuss what is the question. So I have one table, filter data table, where we have two column ID, and the second column is Pandey Guruji something 1013 bracket close 266502. So before this column, we need to retrieve the all the text, and before closing bracket, we need to retrieve the ID. So we have two requirements. So you can see the data look like this, output look like this: Pandey Guruji 1013 and Pandey Guruji 1025, Pandey Guruji underscore YouTube channel 1960. So 1960, so you no need to retrieve 1959, no need to retrieve 1959, you need to retrieve 1960. Sometimes interviewer, they will ask, we need to retrieve the after this bracket, so 29222442. So if you have knowledge on the substring without hard coding the value, then we can easily find out. So I have already query written, so I will explain how we can achieve this requirement. So first we need to drop, we have this filter data, so already inserted. I will share this code in the description box, so you can just insert the data and do the practice. So first I need to drop this table. So drop table is dropped, and again I need to I will create this table. So now for insert purpose, the first requirement is to trim the text before this colon. So I use the case statement, like case when data value like colon, and then substring data value, whatever data value is there in the data, whatever the data value is there, is starting position is 2. So starting position is 2 means let me extract this window, the table name. So starting position is 2 means the 0 1 2. So one position is the open bracket, to two position is the P. So starting position is 2, and where we need to extract till the colon. So I use the colon by using the care index. So if you use the care index, they will give the value of this particular, what is the position. So what we need to find carry index, this column, and data value -2 because we need to trim till ji. So -2. So if you put in the select statement, you can see what exact they displaying. So you can put in the select statement, so you can see easily what care index display. So if you retrieve, you can see they're giving the basically position of, so care index, they will give the position of the data type integer, so this will not work. So you can see the Pandey Guruji, so they are giving the position, so till the position 29 is there, so this is the position of this column. So if you add any value between the Pandey Guruji YouTube channel, so if that, so they will give the exact value. So so no need to hard code the any value. So they will basically give the position. If the value is structured, then if there is no value, then will be show the empty value. To achieve the second requirement, we need to trim the data. If you need to trim the data after the before this closing bracket, so how we can achieve this? Same, we can use the this symbol by using the data value like this symbol, substring, data value, pet index, and we can use the pet index by finding the starting position where we need to start the position, and the for the ending position we need to use the this pet index closing bracket, and same for the what we need to use the length of the complete of the length of this value. So we can see what will happen if you insert this data. So if you insert the data, we can see data got inserted, and we can put the select statement from this table. So select star from this table. Now you can see between this symbol is coming. So again we need to remove this symbol by using the again substring. So substring we can use, and data ID, this is the column, pet index we finding the where this value is starting, and the so where we have the only one symbol is there, so you can use the care index also in place of pet index, and data ID +1 is the length of the data. So you can see we retrieve the only the value after this value symbol 19601960. So what we need to do, we need to update, use the update command to update this value by using the ltrim and rtrim. If you use the ltrim rtrim, so ltrim rtrim basically remove the spaces before or after the character. So now this final data got updated. So Pandey Guruji 1013102519601960. So in this video I cover the substring, care index, pet index, and the ltrim rtrim. So if you have any question, and if you attend any interview which is you not able to answer the question, you can put in the comment box, and definitely I will reply this type of the question. And I already started the personal training. If you want to join personal training, just you can call me on the number given on the video link or video and description link. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.